Alright, hello, welcome to this video, and today we're going to be talking about Breville espresso machines and how you can be getting more consistent shots out of yours. For a lot of people in their first few months of ownership of these machines, it's an absolute battle of how to get the pressure in the right spot, how to get the right volume out of it. And it seems like you're watching a slot machine when you're guessing where this needle is going to go. You're trying to dial in your grind amount, your grind coarseness, and it just seems quite impossible. So I've got two tips that will guarantee to take away those headaches from you. Before we get started, I just want to mention quickly two other products that are going to be super helpful in your Breville ownership experience. You need to be cleaning your machine. The Breville products are ridiculously expensive. You can buy off-brand products. Cleaning tablets from Cafiza, these Gesta water filters, I'm going to link them both in the description below. They're available on Amazon. Pick these up. Don't waste your money on the Breville products. I also have a cleaning video if you want to check that out. So, let's jump right in. The first thing to address is these grinders. They're great grinders, they're very consistent, but what sucks about them is this grind amount nozzle. All it relies on is a timing mechanism. It doesn't actually know how much coffee is going through it. So if some gets lodged up or lots piles through, you're going to get different amounts coming through each and every time. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to turn this to the absolute maximum, set it to double shot, and instead what we're going to do is use a scale. Yes, we are absolutely going to use a scale. Any quality coffee shop in the world will use a scale to measure their espresso. It's not being overkill, it's absolutely necessary, and it will guarantee to take away some of your headaches. This is a great one. It goes to 1 decimal place, which is super useful for getting that exact 18 grams you want for a double shot. It says hello to you when you turn it on. This is what I'm going to be using today. So, this is a completely empty hopper. What we're then going to do, grab our cup, tear our scale, and we're going to put exactly 18 grams to the bean into this cup. I went way over, I'm at 21.2, but that could happen if you're using the timing mechanism. There we go, spot on, and we're going to pour those straight into the hopper. So now those are the only beans in there. We know we're going to get exactly 18 grams. Let's grind those up. What I'm going to do is let this grind halfway. We're going to give it a little tamp down and restart so it doesn't overflow the basket. We want to make sure every bit of coffee in there, we measured it accurately. We need to make sure that none falls through. It can get a little messy. We've got this dialed in. Finish that off, pushing in to stop and start it. Giving it a little tap so it doesn't overflow. There we go, catching any that might fall over, but if you do that intermediate tamping method, you'll have no problems with that either. So now, the second thing that a lot of people struggle with, and I admit the expert baristas can certainly manage to use a tamper like this, but unless you're an expert barista, why bother? What you should be using is a palm tamper like this. It has a specific ridge to stop it at the same spot every single time. So now, we've got 18 grams in here, we're tamping to the same spot every single time. All we have to set is this grind size, and as long as those things stay the same, we're going to get a consistent shot every single time. So we'll tamp that down. No messing around, no 45 pounds. Squeeze till it stops. There we have it. Brush off the excess. There we go. Got a little bit of hot water that might be overheated at the group head. Might have seen that tip before. In we go. And don't wait, straight on. And we know that'll be a perfect shot every single time. So there we go. Our pressure was spot on. Another tip for you guys, if you like to drink Americanos, you can get your hot water straight from here, and we'll actually dose the proper amount for Americano, so you don't have to eyeball it and try and stop it. If you hold it up, it'll dose the correct amount for a beautiful Americano. Just watch. And there we go, it stopped on its own. You'll see this light blinking to let me know that I've left the knob turned. I'll turn it back to stop that. Some lovely crema on there, and a beautiful coffee. So, as you can see, very easy, very low effort. As long as you're weighing out the beans to get past this timer system and you use a palm tamper, you should have no issues. As long as you're using the same beans and have the same grind size, it'll be locked in every single time. No more coffee down the drain. So, I'm going to link this scale and these tampers in the description below. If you're interested in the cleaning products as well, those will be in the description, and the cleaning video will be available as well. You can simply look it up. It'll look very similar to this video here. So, I hope this was helpful for you guys. I hope you waste less coffee because of this video and these techniques, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot.